In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Network and Connection. Now you need to scroll down to click on Printing and tap on the Footprint service or any other service you have. Lastly, click on this switcher to make sure the Footprint service or other service are on and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!